So I just wanted to say for only one of you out of all of you got it right.
Yeah.
But you still double guessed.
Double guessed Jamaica.
Still double guessed, and then you said
Jamaica
Fiji
and Fiji.
So if your name's Marty, I think it's Marty.
Yeah.
You did get it right.
Big up yourself.
Big up yourself.
Hello, good morning, where do you came from? Perfect stranger I've been waiting on. Right place at the right time. Nobody can tell me you ain't mine. Yeah. To be honest, I've never been this bold. Your personality, it warms my soul. All they ever do is lie to you, baby. Tell them other bye-bye. Yeah. Come over here, so I know you love my accent.
Where are we? This is Fiji Airport, Nandi. We've got like a shop here where you can buy food. Kapabula coffee shop. Lovely. We're at the airport, guys, just loading our bags. Don't know. Yeah, it's in there. You go in the front with him?
Rainy now.
Yeah.
Last 6-7 days.
It's been rain.
Oh my god, rain, flood. Most of the towns were under water, like 3 feet, 4 feet water.
Really?
In the north. But this place was rain.
Yeah.
Yeah, because New Zealand copped it big time, no?
Yeah.
It's very hot here in Fiji. The weather is muggy.
Well, it's not that hot, like 30, 31, but 1 week, no sun, only rain.
Oh, really? Let's hope that we've arrived and it starts to be nice weather then.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let's hope so.
The pandemic hit in Fiji.
It was, we had
Yeah.
few people died, but
Oh, wow.
business airport was closed like a year.
Oh, really? So the airport closed?
Yeah,
Wow.
Oh, yeah.
and us gang, we
Oh,
just,
wow. Look how beautiful the
The
mountain.
mountain.
Oh, my life.
the company said
Can't
it's
see it,
home
though, but
for
yeah.
a year.
Yeah. Oh, closed. Wow.
They keep the car at their place and we were just moving around here and there.
Okay. This is Fiji, guys. It's just the beginning.
Would you say Fiji is growing as in business-wise?
Yeah, it's getting better day
It's
by
getting
day.
better. Wow, beautiful roads actually. The roads are very smooth.
Just realized they drive on the same side.
As Australia?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, they do too.
Yeah.
Look at stray dogs, always dogs around, no?
Just like Jamaica.
Have you done much traveling yourself?
I did, yeah.
Yeah.
Been to US, Singapore, India,
Lovely.
Nice.
New Zealand.
Would you say were you born in Fiji?
Yeah.
Yeah. But your background is Fiji Indian?
Yeah.
Indian?
Yeah.
Okay. I can't wait to try the curry here.
Lots of different kinds of curries.
Wow, coconut trees.
Oh wow, yeah.
Coconut trees.
It's been a long time since I've seen that.
It's been a long time since we've seen coconut trees.
Yeah.
Wow.
Definitely giving me the island vibe for real. So what's something that you would say we must try here in Fiji?
Well, I can try the fish curry made in coconut milk.
Oh, yeah.
Papaya,
Yum.
Nice.
fish, lobsters,
Yeah.
crabs, mud crabs.
Lobsters too?
Yeah, mud crabs are nice.
Oh, nice.
Wow. And your whole family lives here?
Yeah.
Nice. Would you say a lot of foreign people live here too now?
Yeah, there are.
There are, yeah. So Australians and...
Australia, New Zealand.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay. Wow, this seems like a little city, no?
Yeah.
Like a little town.
Yeah.
Does it get busy during the day?
ANZ, they have ANZ.
Yeah, in the daytime.
Oh yeah.
What's the best curry to try?
Oh, you can try goat curry, duck curry.
Ooh, goat curry, really? Yum.
Love
We
goat
love
meat.
goat curry.
Oh,
Is kava nice? You drink kava?
I do.
Yeah.
Not much, but at times.
And what's the law here with you know, the drinking and driving and
No drink, no drive.
very good, very good. Very good.
some rain cloud down here. Looks darker down this end.
Nice houses, yeah?
Yeah.
Beautiful plants too. Very tropical indeed. So what are the main rules to go by while we're here in Fiji? What's the rules like in regards to culture?
Yeah, like if you go in the villages, then if you enter the village, you have to take the hats off. You can't put the hat on.
Okay.
Okay. So the hats have to come off. Okay. Interesting. And with if you're going into the village, do you have to wear is it the sarong, like they call it the sarong, or lava lava, or?
Depends. Some places they do, but some places you can go.
Okay.
This place will be nice to walk during the day, babe.
Korean barbecue? Wow. Different kind of food, huh?
Yeah.
What's that? Is that like a gas station? Pacific?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, Island, that's enough. You're gonna get sick. Eat too much lollies. Not good for your belly.
Belly.
Like herbal medicines and things they get from the plants.
Yeah, some places the native people they do give herbal medicines.
They do. Okay. I already love Fiji. It's beautiful.
Yeah, I love it already. Can't wait to get out and walk and all those things.
So is there isn't much crime in Fiji?
There are everywhere, you know.
Of course, everywhere, of course.
There's
But-
the nightclub. It's over now.
Oh,
All
that's
these
why they're
people-
here.
Oh, okay.
Oh, Oh, they're drinking.
Yeah,
I
get
can see.
drunk
Look at
and
this,
all that.
drinking and having fun. Wow. Well, that's what you do when you're young and have no kids, no? When you have kids, you can't do that anymore. No, you have to grow old now and wait till you're old now, Island. You can enjoy life. No. But first you have to get a study, education. Wonder what kind of music they actually. What kind of music? Do you know what music they play in the nightclubs here?
English.
A lot of English music, yeah. What's the Fijian kind of music like? Is it reggae? Is it like what's the kind of genre, you know, that they like here?
Normally they play the reggae and mostly the fast music.
Okay. It's interesting to know.
Coconut trees everywhere.
Sit down. You have to sit down because the taxi driver is driving and you can't. You've got to respect. Okay, you can see. What's the rules with the kids in the car? I don't know what the rules are.
They can be in the back seat.
Can they sit on the lap, on the parent's lap?
Yeah.
Oh, really? Okay, I'll let him have a look then.
But not in the front seat.
Oh, okay, very good. Look, Island. Wow, it's just like Jamaica. Well,
Well, now they're changing up the rules.
They've changed, yeah, the laws.
Yeah. Hey, Bobo.
It's
Yeah.
Fiji.
This is Fiji.
Yeah, Fiji.
Go back to Jamaica soon, Bobo.
Yeah, soon we go back to Jamaica and you can see Jamaica again. But now we're traveling around.
Fiji water is like in a sale of big amount.
Yeah.
Aqua Pacific is also nice. Fiji water is nice in.
Now the rain has started. This must be our welcoming, babe.
Yeah, welcome to Fiji.
Yeah.
But also, how long does it take to get to Cuba?
3.5 hours.
3.5 hours.
Welcome to paradise.
What's down in Cuba that you would recommend if we were to go there? What would you recommend us to do? Have you been there?
Oh, it's nothing much there. It's like all big buildings and big offices.
Oh, okay.
But if you go up to the coast, it's like a good drive.
Yeah.
Sightseeing tour.
Okay.
This a river?
Ocean.
Oh, the ocean.
All big major hotels here.
Okay.
Oh, wow. And you catch a ferry from here too.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so we're going on a ferry to get to our
So,
destination.
is it the Aswaya flyer comes here?
Yeah.
Yes?
Yeah, all the boats here.
All the boats here. Okay. Beautiful island. So, what are the fruits in season right now?
Bananas, watermelon,
Any mango?
mango. Just you can get some places, but very hard.
Okay.
Okay. Pineapple?
Yeah, a lot.
Yum.
Yeah. Have a lot of yam here as well.
Yam?
Yeah,
Taro?
yeah.
Nice.
Nice. Cassava?
Mm-hmm. Wish you have a nice trip.
Thank you very much.
And there's the passenger terminal. That's where you're gonna check in.
Okay.
We do video first. Video.
You wanna put the bag there?
You want to be on video? Bag. Oh, yeah, it's alright. I'll put the bag there. Go in. Bula! Bula! Island! Island! Come on, Bubba. Let's go. Yeah. Island, put your bag here. Come on. Thank you, Vinaka.
Cool guy. Yeah, so
For real.
guys, so we're gonna catch a ferry. They're quite big.
Let's have a look. Oh, that's bright.
Let's just it first.
Island, wait, naman. Yeah. Wagwan. Welcome, Island family.
Yeah, so Island.
Island, come here. Yeah, me too.
Yeah.
Sorry, guys, I gotta go Island.
Yeah, so
Island, come, naman.
as you guys can see, we're in Fiji. You know what I mean? So
Island, come,
yeah,
naman.
this is definitely something you guys. I hope you guys are excited for the adventure because we are. You know what I mean? This is the first time. This is the first time we have traveled together as a family. You know, outside of Australia.
International, yeah.
So trust me.
It's hot here. It's muggy.
Yeah, even though it's raining, it's pretty.
Still muggy.
Yeah, but look at the view. Let me get this focus.
We're gonna go on the boat.
Look at the view, yo.
Look at the boats, man.
That's just wicked.
Yes, Island. Yes.
Yeah.
Fiji, Fiji.
Where are we, babe?
Fiji.
Where are we now?
Bula.
What's the word again?
Bula. Bula is hello.
Yeah,
That's
Bula.
what we learned.
He said,
Yeah,
hello.
look,
And
look,
what's the other one?
Tell everybody, where are we? Fiji.
Vinaka.
Huh?
Is it Vinaka? Vinaka?
No,
right?
Bula. Bula Vanakas, thank you, no?
Yeah, thank you for
I
yeah,
don't know.
Vinaka.
That's this time here, guys. So we're
Yeah,
gonna have a
well.
coffee
And chill.
and just chill and wait.
What time the boat?
8:30.
8:30. And
Yay!
I'm not even sure of the time right now.
Hello.
Yeah. Yeah, so yeah, we can't wait.
Can't wait. We might have to get the GoPro out because it's raining.
Yeah.
We don't want to wet the jets.
Yeah, and we don't want to wet ourselves right now either. So.
No, I don't mind getting wet. I'm hot. I'm sweating, guys. Like
Yeah.
literally.
So the what you call it? The ferry ride is like what, 5 hours? About
Yeah, it's
that?
a 5 hours trip.
Yeah, so we're definitely in for a long one today. After that long plane ride, even though it wasn't that long, but it was a bit uncomfortable.
Very
my
uncomfortable.
Neck, my neck was
actually.
killing me. Yeah, so
Very uncomfortable, actually.
yeah, man.
But yeah, we're at Lulu's Bar and Cafe restaurant
Yeah.
here at Nandi. The taxi driver was very, very not talkative, but I got some things out of him, guys.
Yeah.
I got some questions. You know me, I'm going to always be inquisitive and ask questions.
Yeah, man.
And yeah, so we're here. We're going to have a coffee at Lulu's and see what else they got, or maybe a morning beer or something.
Yeah, let's see what.
It's a bit early for a beer, but anyway.
Let's see what's up.
Okay, chill, man. We'll go chill over there. Island. Maybe we should get sugar.
There wasn't any sugar.
I didn't ask them for any, actually.
Yeah, so the rain has stopped, guys.
Throw your fishing rod out here, babe.
I tell you, I can't wait. I'm glad we bring it. Yeah, man. So it's a beautiful place. Beautiful. Wow. Probably some big fish here too. Can't wait to catch some of those big trevally that I see on videos here. Hopefully. Yeah, hopefully.
It's beautiful, guys.
Really beautiful. This is the harbor. So it's one of these ferry we're gonna be catching.
One of them.
Yeah.
Could do one of those too.
Yeah, true.
5 hours.
True.
It's only just us going.
Yeah.
They might not take the big boats.
Yeah,
Gas, no?
true, because makes sense. Yeah, guys, so these are the islands. So the one we're going, baby, is all the way up here?
Yeah.
All the way to the top?
Yeah, we're going to Nakula Island.
Nakula.
And then they'll pick us up, I think, from somewhere.
Yeah.
I don't know how it
Yeah,
works.
and we're...
Oh, this is where we are.
Oh, so we're here.
Naboya Lodge. Yeah,
Yeah, and we're going up. Oh, yeah. Whoa,
So
so
it's
the island goes all the way down.
It's 4 hours and 30 minutes on the boat.
And the guy did say what, over 300 island or 300 islands?
300 islands.
Yeah, wow, that's just crazy. So Fiji is full of islands. You can travel from one to the next in a split second.
Make sure you put the right leg in the luggage.
Okay, yes, that makes sense. How's your morning?
Oh, good. I doing night shift.
Night shift.
Shift start 5 o'clock.
Oh, wow.
We open the counter. After this, we go home.
See.
Take me to the day.
Oh. So here in Fiji, this would be the traditional wear. That Fiji, they wear like the men. That's what they wear. So nice little patterns. And the females, they wear like all these kind of lovely dresses, beautiful dresses. But they also wear like the sarongs too, as we'd say, the sarongs. Morning, Bula. So this is like shopping center. I think it's very touristy attraction, you know. Yes, Bobo, I'm coming. Come. Oh no, that's not good. Oh, Mama's pizza. I bet you she's got some nice pizza, guys. She looks good. Big pizza and buns. And you got some hot bread. Ooh, yummy, yummy. Lovely. Bula. Look, Island, they got nice pastry there with coconut. Looks like coconut pastry. You hungry? I'm not hungry. I'm not hungry at all.
Oh, so will it really take like a U-turn come around here?
Yeah.
Or they even have Western Union?
Babe, you love Fiji?
I really love it. The view.
So far, we only been here for like 2 hours and you've fallen in love already?
It just remind me of Jamaica. That island.
How are you?
Good.
Huh? You cry? Why? Why are you crying? You stay in Fiji.
Happy
Safe and secure. Yeah.
He's crying because he had a slip fall down on the ground.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so
Okay, be careful around, okay?
yeah.
Yeah, okay, thank you. Lucky you don't get hurt,
Yeah.
okay?
Lucky you didn't hurt yourself, Island.
So we're in a supermarket now, guys. An island here has been, yeah. Oh, they have some Australian drink there, like the junk.
yeah.
Is it Australian? I don't even know.
Yeah, that's Australian.
Oh, oh, Heineken. They have Heineken.
This Island.
And they have Guinness. They have Guinness here.
Ice cream after. Oh, yeah. Oh, they're $4.60.
Oh, banana. They have Coke. coconut as well. We don't say in Jamaica. Hopefully we can find on the island. Yeah. Have guava here as well.
You want to take guava?
Them not look that appealing though.
All this bongo chili. It's actually Scotch
bongo.
bonnet.
Bongo chili. With the bongo jongo.
Take an apple.
Yeah.
Pretty soft.
Probably take a guava still.
Take some green.
I hope it's sour. For some reason I don't like sweet guava. I love them when they're very sour. From when I was young I was like that.
Yes, I'll get a bag.
Yes, and that's the Fiji water, the famous Fiji water. Ooh, and you have coconut over there.
Yes, Island. Come on, come on, come on.
Oh, you have
Yeah, after. Watch the man behind. Oh, yeah, cold man, cold meat
yeah.
and stuff. Island boy, come this way. Peanuts, bananas, dry bananas.
So nuts.
Island, don't touch. Island, listen, Mama. Don't touch anything. We got moisturizing cream now in that base.
Yeah. Do you need a bottle for him or not?
Bongos.
You used to those?
Yeah, they're nice. Just get like.
Why you want an umbrella now? should have gotten a trolley for you.
Alright, yeah, just get him.
Probably that one.
Chocolate? Yeah. Chocolate one? Yeah,
Hold it.
hold it.
Let's go pay for it. Follow mom.
We got water. Coconut water.
No, don't see any banana chips.
Oh,
That would be good to see. Our plantain chips.
strange, no?
Yeah. Right.
No, I don't have that.
Yeah. Maybe we'll find it somewhere. Oh, they actually have tongue, babe.
Oh, wow.
They have tongue, guys. Yeah. Yard man used to them thing, you know? Yeah, man. The good old, the famous Fiji water.
NJ, wagwan.
NJ, we are doing a Fiji boy.
Every time we come somewhere, we always find an NJ look-alike, you know?
Always, even in Australia.
Always. NJ means NJ has to come, no man. Hey?
Got really busy here for us.
Yeah, we've been here for a long time this morning, guys.
To be honest.
So, guys, this shopping,
Cost about $30, about
$30, and it was like everything Babe showed.
Yeah.
$30.
Pretty reasonable.
Pretty reasonable, no man. That's good. All right. Island's got his ice cream, yeah. Still got time. Ready? Oh, wait, we move out of the way. Ladies mopping the floors. Hey, what's your clothes there?
Is that a line?
I don't know. Maybe not. I'm not too sure. Wow, guys, look how busy it's gotten now. Everything's open. Fisher sports, island hopping, snorkeling, game fishing, transfers, enjoy family fun. Oh, you remember? Island's made some friends.
Island.
Come on, Island, let's go. Come on. The ladies have to work. Bye, baby. Bye. See you. Come on. Okay. Oh my God. Yes, guys. So, excuse me.
Island already made so many friends since he's been here. Everybody loves him.
Definitely.
It's no joke.
Hey, that's our friend. But he doesn't want to be on the camera.
We had a talk with
He's
him.
shy. Yeah, we had a
It's
chat.
funny,
Yeah, it was funny to reason with him. We'll tell you about it a bit later. Like what he said about all the love songs they sing here.
Yeah, lots of breakout songs.
Reggae.
He said he don't get breakout. Yeah, he's the one that break down.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah. Oh, babe, he's leaking everywhere.
What, ice cream?
Ice cream, woman. Here. In my bag, I got... Alright, girls. I tell the single girls.
Oh, no.
The single... you know. Okay, you're in uniform. Okay, so he's running away now. No, I understand. So guys, if you want to come... sorry.
You can take the video of this one.
If you wanna come and do some tours, these are the people to see. They're super friendly, and yeah, super friendly people. Just come on down, and they're called, what do you call this one? Six Senses? Yeah, Six Senses. All right, so guys, come on down and see Six Senses if you want, and yeah, my feet are dirty now. That guy just brushed me. Yeah. All right, guys. That's it.
Yeah.
He was just trying to sell me a whole heap of brochures,
Yeah.
guys. Oh God.
They also like.
Yeah, that's how it is, hustling.
Yeah. Alright, now so we're going on the ferry. Island this way. Going.
This is the one we're going on, guys. Oh gosh. It was a little bit high. Yes, we're sitting outside, I hope.
It's not up top there too.
Yeah. Island, come on now.
Come over here.
Whoa, what's in there? Nice fish? Yeah, not yet, Bobo, not yet. The man is gonna tell us now. Alright.
Let's go ahead.
Hang on, Island. Wait.
Sa blok na. Blok sir. Pakai ni karua. Iya set. Lah dia tanya dari itu mana step. Right.
Did you bring your kerchief?
Somewhere in the bottom.
Okay.
Come on, let's go. Slowly, yeah. Where are they? Whereabouts? You gonna? Yeah, just tell them you left your rod there somewhere. Island, wait, Naman. Wow. Give me your hand. You've dropped your money. Bula! Come on, Leah. My husband has just left his rods down there, but he's gonna come back, alright?
Got sitting downstairs.
Okay, downstairs? Alright. Island. Let's go downstairs, Naman. Come on. Island, be careful. Hold on to the pole. Hold on to there. Yeah, good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Yay, good boy. Come, Bobo.
So we are on the ferry. I think it's ready to leave now. So the journey has officially started. Yeah, the beach there. It's been
Slowly falling asleep.
one crazy trip so far.
And this little boy behaves because he has not been behaving.
Yep.
One bit.
Behavior. Oh, we're going out, guys. Beautiful. There we go.
As well as to all our house guests that are spending the night. Please make your way to the back of the lower deck. You need to disembark now. Proceed to the rear part of the vessel with all your belongings. Please.
We have Island here falling asleep, guys. All of us tired and sleepy.
So tired, my God.
Yeah.
You know how it feels like when you wake up with a hangover? Well,
Yeah. That
if you ever
feeling.
feel that feeling, that's a feeling that I've got, even though we haven't drank
Yeah.
alcohol, we just,
Yeah, man.
tired.
Yeah, so it's beautiful, guys. We can't wait to reach our destination.
Outside?
Yeah, that island. Look at them clapping.
Go outside, babe.
They're like
That's what
welcome. They're welcoming them.
That's what they're gonna do, they welcome everyone.
Yeah. Like so far, guys, we're seeing countless islands. As the taxi driver did told us, it's like 300 islands. So yeah, he's not lying about that. Everywhere you look, you see another one. Another island here again. As you guys can see beyond this island, there's another one. There's just countless as we go by. Beautiful, yo.
Dakar passengers, sticking past Treasure Island Pier for our right hand side of the vessel. This is El Buca Island, Treasure Island Resort.
Very beautiful, man.
Beautiful.
Hi, Bobo.
Guys, I think I got the best footage just then.
Yeah.
That was really nice.
Yeah, and then I believe this is the island I was.
That we're gonna come back to.
Yeah, when we're
in the
coming
next
back.
few days, yeah.
So we're actually gonna be staying on this island
Yes.
on our way from the next
With
one.
the family, that might even be them.
For real. So these boat comes and pick up the people off the ferry.
Baby, I realised I was getting a little bit like seasick.
Oh, really?
And standing out here, not looking at the water, but just looking straight ahead actually made me feel better.
Yeah.
Yeah. Guys, it's so weird. I haven't been on a boat, like a long ride like this in a very long time.
Yeah.
So my stomach was feeling a bit queasy, and because inside it's really hot.
Yeah.
So like, just so weird. So I was like, oh babe, I just need to sit out for a bit because I really need some fresh air. And he's like, yeah, go. As soon as I walked out of here, babe, guys, the breeze was just, I just want to stay here all
It
day.
feels much better.
It feels so much better.
Yeah. Well,
But
okay.
you can actually sit out here, I think. I'm not too sure
Yeah.
for a little,
Yeah.
just sit out and chill for a bit, but our stuff is inside.
True.
You nice out here, Baba?